Imagine the sun kissing your skin, the soft whisper of waves caressing the shore, and the mesmerizing beauty of endless azure seas. Welcome to the stunning beaches of Spain. From tranquil coves to bustling seaside resorts, Spain's beaches are as diverse and charming as the country itself. These coastal gems, backed by the vibrant culture and warm hospitality, draw millions of beach lovers every year, each seeking their own slice of Spanish paradise. Today, we will embark on a journey to discover the top 10 beaches in Spain that you must visit. Kicking off our countdown at number 10 is the stunning Playa de las Canteras. Enveloped in golden sands, this beach is a vibrant hub of marine life, making it a snorkeler's paradise. But that's not all. Playa de las Canteras is nestled next to the bustling city of Las Palmas, offering a spectacular blend of urban energy and seaside tranquility. Surfing enthusiasts, you're in luck too. This beach is famed for its waves, an urban beach that offers the best of both worlds, city life and beach relaxation. At number 9, we find the secluded and beautiful Cala Galdana. Imagine a cove graced with pristine white sands, cradled by emerald cliffs and kissed by the turquoise Mediterranean. This hidden gem offers more than just a beach retreat. It's a playground for adventurers. You can hike up the surrounding cliffs for a breathtaking view, or take a leisurely boat ride around the bay. Cala Galdana is a perfect getaway for those seeking tranquility and natural beauty. Coming in at number 8 is the surfer's haven, Playa de Somo. This beach is a magnet for surf enthusiasts, with its long, sandy stretch offering the perfect canvas for carving waves. It's not just for the pros, though. Surf schools dot the shoreline, welcoming beginners to the sport. And once you've hung up your board for the day, the nearby town of Somo beckons with a taste of local life, a beach that promises thrilling waves and an authentic Spanish experience. Let's quickly travel through numbers 7 to 5 on our list. Our 7th stop is the mesmerizing Playa de Rodas. This stunning beach, graced with turquoise waters and white sands, is a paradise for sunbathers, and if you fancy a little exploration, don't miss the opportunity to discover the rich bird life that calls the neighboring lagoon home. Next, at number 6, we find ourselves on the shores of Cala Siona. Tucked away on Formentera Island, this beach is a tranquil haven, perfect for those seeking a serene swimming experience in crystalline waters. Sliding into the 5th spot is Playa de Zahara, with its vast stretch of golden sands and a charming backdrop of rolling hills. It's a delightful retreat for beach lovers. Whether you want to bask in the sun or take a refreshing dip, Zahara is a treat. Each one unique, each one offering an unforgettable Spanish beach experience. At number 4, we have the breathtaking Playa de Cofet. This untouched beauty nestled in the heart of Fuerteventura is a haven for nature lovers. Its isolation adds to the allure, with the vast Atlantic Ocean on one side and the rugged Jandia Natural Park on the other. Imagine spending your day hiking the park's trails, spotting unique wildlife, or simply soaking up the serene beauty. This is not just a beach, it's a destination where you can truly connect with nature. A beach where nature reigns supreme. The moment has arrived for the top 3 beaches on our list. Let's start with Playa de Sis Elites. This beach is nothing short of a paradise. Nestled in the Balearic Islands, its crystal-clear turquoise waters and pristine white sands are a feast for the eyes. But it's not just about the breathtaking views. This beach is also a hotspot for water sports enthusiasts. With its gentle waves, it's perfect for paddleboarding. Imagine gliding across the warm, shimmering water with the Mediterranean sun on your shoulders. Truly a blissful experience. Next up is La Concha Beach, a jewel in the heart of San Sebastian. La Concha is known for its iconic crescent shape and the dramatic hills that frame its sparkling waters. The beach is the perfect place to try windsurfing, with the Bay of Biscay providing the ideal conditions for this thrilling activity. And finally, we arrive at Playa de Bologna. This beach is a treasure trove of natural beauty and historical richness. Located in Tarifa, it's famous for its towering sand dunes and the ancient ruins of the Roman city of Baelo Claudia. Here you can combine sunbathing with a bit of history exploration, making your beach day an enriching experience. These beaches truly represent the best that Spain has to offer, a must-visit for every beach lover. From hidden gems to bustling urban beaches, Spain's coastline is a treasure trove of beauty and adventure. We've journeyed through sunlit sands and azure waters, from our number 10 pick to the crowning glory at number 1. Each Spanish beach, a unique canvas for memory making, awaits your footprints, so venture forth, explore, and let the rhythm of the waves guide your own captivating adventure. Pack your bags, put on your sun hat, and get ready to bask in the captivating charm of Spanish beaches. The sea is calling.